Welcome back to FutureScholarNetwork. Today, we're diving into a controversial but important question: has technology ruined General Z's education? From smartphones to social media, digital tools promise to revolutionize learning, but have they actually made things worse? Let's explore the promise of technology in education. When technology entered classrooms, it was hailed as a game changer. Interactive apps, online courses, and instant access to information were supposed to make learning easier, faster, and more engaging. Gen Z, the first true digital native generation, was expected to thrive in this environment. The reality check. But reality paints a different picture. Instead of empowering students, technology often distracts them. Social media notifications, endless scrolling, and gaming addictions compete with textbooks and lectures. The very tools designed to enhance learning have become obstacles to focus and discipline. Shortened attention spans. Studies show that Gen Z struggles with attention spans shorter than ever before. Constant exposure to bite-sized content, TikTok videos, Instagram reels, and memes, has conditioned the brain to crave instant gratification. Deep reading, critical thinking, and sustained concentration are becoming rare skills. The illusion of knowledge. Technology gives the illusion of being informed. With Google at their fingertips, students often mistake quick answers for true understanding. Copy-paste culture has replaced genuine comprehension, and the ability to analyze, question, and synthesize information is fading. Decline in social and emotional learning. Education isn't just about academics, it's also about social growth. But Gen Z spends more time behind screens than in face-to-face interactions. This has led to weaker communication skills, reduced empathy, and difficulty in building real-world relationships. Teachers versus technology. Teachers now face an uphill battle. Competing with smartphones for attention, they struggle to keep students engaged. Traditional teaching methods are dismissed as boring, while flashy apps dominate, but often without depth or rigor. The mental health connection. Technology's impact on education isn't just academic, it's psychological. Constant comparison on social media, cyberbullying, and digital overload contribute to anxiety and depression. A stressed mind cannot learn effectively, and Gen Z is paying the price. Is all technology bad? Of course, not all technology is harmful. Online learning platforms, digital libraries, and educational YouTube channels can be powerful tools when used wisely. The problem lies not in technology itself, but in how it's consumed, without balance, discipline, or guidance. Conclusion. A call for balance. So, has technology ruined General Z's education? In many ways, yes, but it doesn't have to stay that way. The challenge is to reclaim technology as a tool, not a distraction. Education must focus on teaching students how to use digital resources responsibly, while preserving the timeless skills of focus, empathy, and critical thinking. Thank you for watching Future Scholar Network. If you found this lecture thought-provoking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep questioning, keep learning, and keep building a better future together.